Hello, my name is Gary Gosselin. My company is Shannon Motors. I've been in business for over 30 years. Been a Vistage member for 5 years, and this is where I met Dale. And we just completed 3 days with Dale. And I got to say, it was worth my time and my team's time. Every minute of it was well worth it. He gave us a methodology that I would say has put legs underneath what we need to do. A lot of times, we know what we need to do, but we don't follow through with it. Dale has also given us, he's opened our eyes so much so to think out of the box, which is the methodology that he's given us, is allowing us to really look outside the box and he's really pulled my team together. I thought we were close, but there was a lot of synergy that was developed because of the way that we were led. And I would invite anybody and everybody to listen to what Dale's got to say.